So guys, today I'm going to teach you another breakdance move. It's called kickouts, sometimes known as Russians or shootouts. So we're going to start low to the ground, we're on our toes, and we're going to take our right hand, we're going to place it behind our back on the right side here, bring our left hand up. And so when we kick out, we're going to land on our heels. And then when we kick back in, we're going to land on our toes again. So let's kick out, we're on our heels. Back in, now we're on our toes. Now if we want to switch, we're just going to plant our left hand behind our left side back here, and our right hand comes up. Now we're going to kick out to the right. Similar, maneuver. So again, just land on our heels, and then as we kick in, land on our toes. So as you get more comfortable with this, you can, do different moves like double kick outs, twists and turns as you're kicking out as well. So, let's just freestyle it. So, those are kickouts. Hope you guys had fun learning it. Yeah, stay tuned.